So the boat loader's going on the roof, so that can only mean one thing. We're getting ready to go away, and this year taking some extra steps in terms of making sure everything stays where it should be. So I've talked about this previously, Nor lock washers. So the locking nuts that have been used before, so this time these little jobbies are going on. They have a little cam in there that prevents them from coming undone and puts tension on the nut all the time. So we're using those this year to secure the boat loader. So again, here we go. You can see the Nord lock washer in under there, and you can see the little serrations, for lack of a better description, that lock the Nord locker washer in place. And given these lock nuts have been used a second time, just an added level of safety.